What's up, Fruit Loops? Sorry, haven't been on. It's been a little bit manic, but here we are with the LTD. The engine is now fully torn down. We've got quite a lot of work to do to it. There are certain parts that have got to be replaced, but we have things like these where the balancer is on both sides. It's a little bit of a worry, but there you go. And we got the Beetle in, and we got another Beetle, and a boatload of spares. Lots and lots and lots. This one also has a brand new floor. This is on a 74 chassis. And we got replacement heater channels here, need a little bit of work, but they'll be fine. And loads and loads and loads of spares. So there'll be a lot of stuff going up on eBay. Pretty much whatever we don't use. So yeah, oh yes, and we got a spray booth, which is almost done. I've been sealing it all morning. And we got the tank in. So I'm going to put lights in, put some more sealant around it tomorrow once this lot's gone off, because obviously where we've had to make it ourselves, there's quite a lot of gaps which need to be dealt with. But yeah, tank is in. We'll get this leveled up tomorrow, get it up against the wall, and then get it filled up, and would be good to start dipping again, which I'm going to be extremely relieved about. So we bunged up the hole. In the end, at some point, I'll cut it out, get another one, weld a new one in, so we'll have heater. But until then, I'm going to get some fish tank heaters, and when it's not cold, I probably just won't bother heating it. So, because I'm hard, I can dip in cold water. But there you go. Yeah, built a bench out of an old kitchen table that we had kicking about. It's not the straightest bench in the world, but it will do. Got a shot blaster, got another shot blaster. So that's all working. Got a set of 4 of these polo wheels, which came with all the Beetles stuff, so we're going to blast them. And then we've given ourselves a whopping 10 weeks from the day we start doing this Beetle to pretty much finished. It probably won't be ready. It'll be ready for paint, but it won't be painted within 10 weeks because I'll need a weekend on my own to do that. Just so I haven't got distractions really, because it's going to be a really special paint job. There's going to be a lot of pearl in it, there's going to be metal flake in it, and I've got to nail it first time because I really don't want to sand the whole car down. But yeah, so in a couple of months we'll be ready for that. We'll pop this engine out. We're going to strip it and rebuild it anyway, because it's been sat so long. We got a guy coming in who's going to sort out the hydraulics for us. So we'll pop the body off, we'll get all that sorted out, and then we get the wiring sorted out, and then we get the interior dealt with. We've already got a new roof lining, and then we've got to sort out these wings. Some of them need patching, bit of welding here and there. It's like down here, little hole, but you know, it's no great shakes, is it really? Little bit of welding, which is what I do. So as well as painting, hydro dipping, fitting air conditioning. And anybody interested, I'm going to refurb both of these sets of pedals. They are for a classic Beetle. Once they're refurbed, they'll have new bushings, everything. They will be going on eBay. Probably for, I don't know, 150 quid, something like that. Not sure what year they're from, but the guy we got them from is going to come over hopefully next week, because he's moving out of his unit. So he's going to come over and identify all of these. So there are just so many parts here that he's given us because he's having to move out. It's just tote after tote after tote. Interiors, we've got like 3 separate interiors, 3 fuel tanks, 2 sets of wheels, now we've got 3 spare doors. So yeah, quite a bit, but it's all good fun. So yeah, just a quick little update because I haven't been on really. It's all been a little bit stressful. The Harley is now sold. Tony is delivering that at the moment. He should be there in about an hour. The guy wanted to get a courier, but I don't trust couriers. I'd rather we did it. And then we know it's there and it's safe and it gets there in the state that it left us. So yeah, just gonna get, oh my God, if I can. Tango. So yeah, that's pretty much where we're at the moment. So we shall see what happens. I'm pleased with the booth. It only took Tony and a mate of ours a couple of days. And like I say, this morning I've been in and sealed it up. So I'm pretty happy with it, to be totally honest. It's pretty good size. And it's pretty good width. So yeah, should be good to go. Right, on that note, I'm going to toodle off. I'm going to drink my drink. I'm going to go and pick my daughter up from school. I'm going to go home and put my feet up. Bought a fish tank as well. So when we get that, I'll probably do a little video of that and do it on under the mountain folk thing. I need to do one about the goats as well. But yeah, there we go. Anyway, be safe, be careful, do one thing each day that scares you. Happy days. Ta-da!